The Nikon Z50 II Kit, featuring a superior 20.9-megapixel DX format sensor, captures stunning lifelike colors and details, making it an excellent choice for both photography and video enthusiasts. With a lightweight and compact design, this mirrorless camera is easy to carry, fitting conveniently into small bags for everyday use. The camera offers 31 built-in color presets, allowing users to explore creative possibilities and personalize their photos and videos effortlessly. Its advanced autofocus system can detect and track 9 distinct subjects, including people and animals, ensuring sharp and precise focus in every shot. The Nikon Z50 II Kit supports 4K ultra-high-definition video at 60 frames per second and includes features like slow-motion capture and built-in electronic vibration reduction for smooth video recording. For seamless photo and video sharing, the camera includes wireless connectivity through the Nikon SnapBridge app, making it easy to transfer content to smart devices.